Imagine having expensive dishes that kept getting damaged every time they were washed. One woman decided to solve the problem herself. Her name was Josephine Cochrane. She was a wealthy socialite who frequently hosted dinner parties, and she wanted her valuable dishes protected. So instead of relying on people to wash them by hand, she designed a machine. Her design used high-pressure water to clean the dishes inside a rotating wireframe. In 1886, she received a patent for her dishwashing machine. Her machine wasn't initially designed for ordinary homes. Hotels, restaurants, and large kitchens were among the early customers. But over time, dishwashers became smaller, cheaper, and eventually common inside homes. A machine created to protect expensive dishes eventually became one of the biggest time-saving appliances in the home.